Got a tank 500 but can't put anything on the roof? And there's no proper roof platform available? Savage Tech made it again. We're bringing you a custom roof platform that fits your tank 500 perfectly. Let's show you how to install it. But first, check out how it looks.
Okay, so I'm going to be installing my Tank 500 platform on my Tank 500. Before we get started, my car's been fully blacked out with our blackout pack that we're testing. So currently it's got a blackout pack, that's why everything's black on it. Okay, so we're removing the blacked out rail covers, and they're not easy to remove, but we're removing them on that side there. So they're a full molded black piece that gets double-sided taped, and we've been trying to remove them for around 10 minutes, 15 minutes, because they're like literally, we had to snap them to get them off, because the double-sided tape that comes with it is this gel stuff, which is very strong when it's adhered properly to the material that you're sticking it to. So anyway, removing that, once we get that off, we'll get the platform on. You can see all the double-sided tape still stuck on here. Oh look, it's even sticking to my watch anyway. So how to remove these, we've popped all these caps off. How you need to pop them off is, you can see there's all these little clips under here, right, that hold it down. So all these, and that goes under there. Now to pop that off, you start from like in the back here and you sort of peel it, and then you can get like a little trim tool, something not like this one, but something similar to this. Get a trim tool at the back, and then you pry it open, and then you sort of try and pull these off so that they get, the tabs come out, and then you lift the whole piece off, and then you do that for all 4 pieces. You got 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one at the back we've got to remove. This one on the side, you remove it from in here. Okay, so you get your finger in the side. I don't know if you can see my finger in there. Okay, get your finger in, and then you just pull it. Beautiful, and that's that piece done. Okay, so you need to get that one off too, to remove that bolt there. So you got these bolts here. So all up on every rail you have 2 at the front, 2 at the rear, and then 1 in the center. So it's gonna be 5 bolts per side, and they are a 10 mil. Once you remove that, these rails will pop off, and then we'll start assembling the platform on the ground prior to installing it on the roof. Okay, so now we've got the Tank 500 platform laid out here on the ground. You're gonna get 2 side rails included with our logos. This is gonna be the front wind diffuser at the front of the car with our logo. These are all your slats that are gonna tie the 2 side backbones together. There are all the brackets that are gonna be connected to the top of the roof. That connects it to your platform. Then you get some trim removal tools in the kit as well, so you can use the trim removal tools to pop off all your factory plastic rails. Okay, you get gloves, you get some silicone, you get Loctite, you get some Torx bits, you get everything included in the kit. So that's the new kit that we are supplying with this particular platform for the Tank 500. So let's get this bolted together and let's get it on the car. Sammy's going to slide this rail on the front rail. This is where the diffuser locks onto. So you can see we've put all these on first. So he's going to slide that on now. And then all the side rails have been bolted on. Okay, so make sure you Loctite every single bolt that goes in. They come with Loctite in the kit, and they also come with spring washers and flat washers. However, Loctiting it is just an extra security for when you're off-roading. Okay, so we're putting all the brackets. These are the brackets that are going to mount the rack to the car. So you assemble all the brackets on here, so we're doing that now. Another really good tip is the brackets, all the feet, have markings on it: middle, rear, and front. So this is the front of the platform where the diffuser is. Middle is obviously the middle, and then the rear is the rear of the platform. All these little spaces, okay, are going to be going inside here. So you're going to use one of the plates, then one of these spaces. Now you need to make sure you put a decent amount of sealant. We just provide it, the RTV, put a decent amount in that, because when that goes there, that's going to pull down and that's going to seal it down onto the car, okay? So you need to use a fair bit of that down on that so it seals it nicely, okay? Now these are marked in the packet: rear, middle, and front. And then also the plates are all individual plates. So we've done all that. Before we lift the platform on, so this diffuser needs to be removed off, and then also with the diffuser, make sure the seal, the pinch weld, there's a rubber seal on the bottom that faces the bottom and that touches your roof. And then this pinch weld, just the pinch weld sits on top of that. All right, let's get this lifted onto the car. All right, we've lifted the platform on. The boys are doing up all the bolts now. So all the bolts are getting bolted in. Now this is one of the reasons why this platform has to be designed like this, because look at the sunroof when it comes out, look at the clearance. So it was quite hard to make a platform for this vehicle that sits really low profile. One, because of the sunroof, and secondly, because of the antenna. So you can see the antenna on the back here. It's literally in line with it. So, okay, now because you've got a sunroof and you've got a big dirty hole here when you're carrying planks of wood or whatever you carry on here, gyprock sheets. With this, what comes in the kit is you get these little tabs, right? See that? Okay, now that slides into here like this. So I'll show you on this side, just lift that up, Sammy. Okay, so you get this and you slide it in, and that locks into the channel so it doesn't slide around with that little nice little locator spring loaded. Then we're going to get these bolts, and these are going to bolt into the side. Okay, and we're going to get these on the car now, so we'll show you how to do that. All right, so Sammy and I have finished the platform and it's all done. It's been a big day here at Savage. Okay, so we can fit a 42-inch light bar, and the cool thing about it is it's cut out behind the wind diffuser, so you can literally still be able to load stuff and ladders and planks all the way, because the light bar will sit underneath. It's got all your T mounting slots for all your accessories. Let's have a look. It's got all your T slots. It's got T slots here. It's got slots on the side. You've got slots everywhere. Look, slots everywhere to mount everything. Sammy, show me how the sunroof works. Now look at that. Look at that for precision. So that's why we had to design this platform, so it can still be able, you still retain your sunroof, still can use it, and you can still load stuff because it just sits underneath this glass. We've got a few of those in stock. We'll have more coming in. This is what it looks like. Hope that helps you guys install your new rack on your Tank 500. We'll also have another video coming out for the Canon Alpha. So peace out, like and subscribe, have a good one.